You don't have to have an appointment with Him. It's a knee away, or just tumingin ka lang sa taas and you can feel Him. And ang sabi na yan sa Proverbs 6 verse 1, verse 3 and 6, if I'm not mistaken, lahat, all our plans, we plan but God approves of it. Okay? So magplano, and then God knows our motives. So God will answer it in His own perfect time. At siya lang talaga magpapatupad. Kahit paanong gusto natin plano, we can plan more plans, but still God will approve of it. And then lahat ng ating gagawin, i-commit talaga sa Lord. Kahit pa sabihin na lahat ng ginagawa natin sana ay nangyayari, but then talagang ang bottom line, ang Lord pa rin yun.